Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share what I've picked up from the Dollar Tree. I decided to grab a bunch of different makeup products and I'm just going to show you what I found there and go from there. Did find a few things that were not makeup, mostly chocolate bars, which I already gave to my husband and he has already eaten, so I can't show you those. I do know he loved them, so there's that. But all right, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with face makeup that I picked up, and I found this LA Girl Complete Coverage Liquid Makeup. This is in the shade Natural. I found this Be Pure Hydrating Under Eye Concealer. This is in the shade Fair. It has hyaluronic acid, benefits of an eye cream and concealer all in one. I thought that was rather interesting. I found the L.A.Colors powder bronzer. This is in Sunkissed Glow. I thought this was really a shimmery looking bronzer, which I kind of enjoy, so I look forward to trying it. I also grabbed the L.A.Colors blush in Spice. I thought this was just a really beautiful color, and I also think it would be really beautiful in the fall. So just the name Spice, anything, and I start thinking about fall. So I don't know, I was a fall child. Next I picked out the L.A.Colors Instantly Radiant Highlighter. This is in Shine Bright. I thought this was a pretty color. There was a deeper shade as well available. I thought that would be really pretty, but more so maybe as an eyeshadow, it wouldn't work. Or maybe a blush, if you like shimmery blush. But that's what I picked up for that. So for eyes, I grabbed the L.A.Colors Brow Pencil. This is in medium brown. I like that it had a spoolie at the bottom as well, so I thought that would be a good thing to try. I found the Wet n Wild Full Healthy Lashes, soy protein enriched with panthenol. This is in Very Black. This is a mascara. And for eyeliner, I found the Kozmic Colors Auto Eyeliner. This is in brown, so I thought that would be worth a try. To set everything, I decided to try the L.A.Colors Pressed Powder. This has a puff applicator. This was in Nude. I'm not sure if that's gonna work with my coloring. It looks a little dark, but that was the lightest shade that was there, so I will find out. For eyeshadow, I grabbed the L.A.Colors 6-color eyeshadow. This says it's crease proof color, all day wear, cruelty free. I got Haute and Night Out. I couldn't decide between them, so I only decided to get two just to see what I thought of it. There was more colors. I think there was a purple and green. There was a mixture of one with a few different colors in it. I probably would have went with purple and green. It's just what I would probably do. Lips, I wasn't sure what to pick, so I kind of just grabbed a few that I loved the colors. So I chose the Cosmic Colors Metallic Lipstick. This has 24-hour lasting with all-day comfort. This is in, I don't know what shade. 03. I don't see the shade on here, but... And I also picked up the L.A.Colors Hydrating Lipstick Creamy Finish. Has vitamin E and aloe vera, and this is in Perfectionist. I felt those would go well with the different eyeshadow palettes I picked out. I seen this Sassy and Chic Shadow Switching Sponge eyeshadow, change eyeshadow colors instantly. I've heard of these. I've never tried one before, but I thought I could at least try it, see how it works. And I found quite a few Wet n Wild brushes. So mostly for eyeshadow. So this is a small eyeshadow brush from Wet n Wild. This is an angled liner brush. A large eyeshadow brush. A crease brush. And I found a contour face brush. So I kind of just grabbed these, and I can always use more brushes. I've heard good things about Wet n Wild brushes, although I don't recall trying any before. So I figured it would be a good thing to try. And at $1.50, that's not too bad for a brush. I think I have some from e.l.f. that were $1 way back when I first started playing in makeup at Dollarama, and they're still around. A few of them my husband's super glued back together, but they're still have all their brushes and they're still all together. So, and I've washed them 1,000,001 times. So I did pick out, oh wait, I forgot 2 things. I knew I'd forget 2 things. So I also picked out some nail polish. This is Cosmic Colors nail polish, and I don't see the shade on here, but I felt they both kind of worked with either eyeshadow palette. So I was planning on applying these as part of a makeup video using all Dollar Tree makeup. So now that there is a Dollar Tree closer to me, and it has different variety of products available than some of the other Dollar Trees that I've been to. I've wanted to do a video using just Dollar Tree or even just any Dollarama, any dollar store, but I couldn't find enough to really do a full face of makeup with. So I kind of thought about it, and then when we were at the Dollar Tree that was just put up near us, my daughter's like, you know, you should do a full face of makeup from the Dollar Tree. I was like, okay, I would be able to do that. There's enough here for me to do that. So I kind of went with that in mind. That video will be something that I create next. So something maybe a little fun to create. I hope you have enjoyed watching. I thank you so much for doing so. All right. I hope you have a wonderful day. Okay. Bye.